Sa history lang ng konti, anong first bike mo? Naalala mo pa? 30 years ago?
Naalala ko. Okay. Yamaha V50.
Wow!
Yamaha V50, I bought it actually at Motor Trade. Tapos nag-down ako ng 1,000 and then ang bayad ko is 250 per month.
Parang hindi na ata ako makakita ng V50 ngayong panahon ito.
It's actually a classic.
Wow.
I do hope you consider me as a classic, not as you know.
Hindi sir, hindi tayo nagkakalayo ng edad. Nasa 30s lang tayo, 30s lang, 30s. What's your most memorable bike? Hindi mo taga malilimutan na naging motor mo?
The Ducati Monster 1100S.
The 1100?
Yes.
That's the second generation, I think? Or...
Yes. Second generation. Yeah. For me, it's really a nice bike. The only drawback was talagang sobrang init.
Okay. Yung sa because of the exhaust and the L-twin.
Yes, but other than that, for me, that's a perfect bike.
Anong motor ang binitawan mo pero gusto mong bilhin ngayon ulit? Kung sakasakali.
Okay.
Adari ba?
Arco Belena na Vespa na PX.
PX Vespa?
The PX. Yung luma.
Circa ano yun? 2000?
Well, I think I got it actually from a friend of mine pero binili niya yan sa Pasay, sa Binoche, no? Masama ang memories ko doon I sold it really cheap.
Bakit mo binitawan?
Ayoko magsalita. Ayoko magsalita.
Pero kung gusto mong kung gusto mong bilhin ngayon, gusto mong bilhin ulit ngayon.
Yes. Wow. Pero hindi ko na siya mabili ngayon because the price is too high. Di ba?
Okay.
Kasi katulad niyan, di ba? I got it for what? 80K, di ba?
Ngayon, that would be double already.
Now it's 300 stock. Ayun, that's full accessory. Custom painted pa. Wow. And anyway, you know, sabi nga nila, in everyone's life, we have our own regrets. So,
yan ang buhay ng rider.
That is one. Isa yan.
Yan ang buhay ng rider na maraming pera.
Ay, hindi naman. Nagpipilit lang. Nagpipilit lang. Minsan, sabi nga na, minsan napipilit
Napipilit. Napipilit yung asawa?
Hindi, yung asawa ko, I'm blessed actually. Ang wife is very open. So lahat.
Does she ride?
Kids. She doesn't.
She doesn't, but she's okay with you riding?
Yes. In fact, siya nag-initiate lang mismo na sabi nga niya sa akin, in everything that you do, gusto ko yung mga anak ko involved. Which in fact, ganun yan.
Oo nga, kasi yung anak mong babae nagre-ride.
Yes.
How old is she? I mean, if I may ask.
She's right now 26.
Very young.
26. No? My son actually works for me. Works also for Bristol. He's the assistant sales and marketing manager. He's 25.
25.
So we're both riding also. And the eldest is about 30 years old, babae.
Mas marami na bang motor sa iyo ngayon kaysa sa iyo?
Hindi pa daw kayang talunin. Umpisa pa sa journey niya.
Sir Noy, congratulations again and
thank you so much.
Good luck to everything ng sa Bristol. I mean, I remember you starting with the 400. Nandun ako noong 2019, nakausap ko yung the Miss Universe dung nasa IR Racing, the bike fest in World Trade Center before COVID. So sabi ko, wow, I mean, this is a new thing, this is a new name. And right now, and look at you. You're right here promoting new bikes.
Yeah, well,
a lot of things happening.
That's part not really of, you know, it's not part of really of my work, di ba? It's part of my life.
Yeah, I know. Mukhang nakatambay ka nga lang. Sabi ko, parang nakakahiyang kausapin si Sir Nonoy ngayon. Kasi nagpapahinga lang eh.
Yun ang maganda actually with the motorcycles. If you get involved with the motorcycles, number one, di ba? You get to enjoy the freedom of riding, di ba? Second, you meet actually the nicest people actually on a motorcycle.
Yeah, yung kanina mga naka-scooter, hindi mo matakilala yung mga yun, di ba?
Well, hindi ko siya kilala, di ba?
Pero in-approach mo lang.
That's how the community is.
Yeah.
Di ba? Everything is about peace and love and sharing and everything, di ba? I don't want to sound like 1970s, pero ganun eh.
But it's a great thing.
It's a great thing. It is a great thing. Kasi dumadami yung friends mo eh. Di ba? When you go out there, pag na-meet mo sila, di ba? You just flash the international sign.
Yeah.
It's like, woo, di ba?
Kanina nga sa EDSA, may kwento ko lang, may nakatigil sa daan. So, tinabihan ko, hindi ko naman siya kilala. Oh bro, ano nangyari? Okay ka lang ba? Muntik na daw siyang mabangga ng SUV sa likod. So, sinabayan ko lang muna siya mga first 100 meters. Okay ka na dyan? Okay na. Sige, ingat. Okay, wala. Hindi ko man siya kakilala. Hindi ko na siya makikita ulit sa buong buhay ko, di ba? Pero, it's a great thing about riders.
Yeah. And that's one thing actually with the motorcycle riders, di ba? Especially mga responsible ones and everything. Let's face it, di ba? Marami tayong mga kapatid na medyo
may problema, may issue.
Yes, so, pero sa isang banda hindi mo sila masisi because they want to experience it. But yun nga lang, ibig ko sabihin, let's do it responsibly. We have the racetracks for that, di ba? Sa racetracks, then talagang doon, you really have to give you all out ka dapat doon eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Kasi that's a racetrack already and it's a safe venue for those crazy things. Di ba?
Saka sabi nga naman nila, change cannot happen overnight. So,
That's very
but
true.
you have
That's
to
very
keep pushing
true.
for
Yeah, but
change.
we always have to bear in mind that change actually number one, di ba? Will happen if we will it, if we
Yeah.
accept things, di ba? And then also at the same time, we need to change by, kumbaga parang, now. We cannot wait na, alam mo, ano yan, we should stop giving ourselves excuses saying na, hindi, mauunti-unti ko to.
Procrastinating. Kung anong pwede na ngayon, papagpabukas pa.
Well, yes. Di ba? Alam mo, hindi naman ganun kahirap eh.
Oo.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Ako naman, gusto sabing I'm all, holy or something.
Oo, lahat naman tayo.
Na-experience ko yan eh. Di ba? But, as you tend to grow in age, you also tend to grow in wisdom. And then you realize a lot of things. Especially marami ka na-experience. Marami ka nakikita sa karsada. Di ba? So, from those things lang, kailangan, we should learn. Sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, di ba? Sabi nga niyang mismo gano'n, hindi mo pwedeng pagsabayin ng motor at saka yabang.
Oo.
Diba? Hindi talaga
That is really
just
true.
chill lang, di ba? Enjoy your ride, enjoy your journey. Offer it everything. Actually, sabi niya si Kuya Kim, diba? When he rides, actually he meditates, he prays. And it's just, ako naman in my own personal thing, di ba? I adopted that, no? So ganun, I just basically give praise to him. That's it. So, yeah.
Nice. And wala naman siguro masama na you share your knowledge and wisdom to the younger riders, di ba?
Yes.
Kahit minsan ayaw nila o iba yung ugali nila, but it's always a good thing that you share
Yeah.
your lessons in life,
Sa amin,
riding.
sa atin lang naman, basically, it's a brotherly thing, di ba? Kasi syempre, ayaw natin may masasaktan eh, di ba? Madidiscuss. Yung nakita ka discussion, di ba? Mapansin mo parang,
Nakakalungkot.
Akalungkot talaga. Yung especially to consequences, di ba? Pagka nakita mo, ganun, di ba? Tapos naisip, paano na to? Di ba? It could have been avoided sana.
Oo, yun.
Sana ganito.
Pag nakita mong it could have been avoided pala, no?
Yes, di ba? It's just a matter of parang self-control, di ba? Hindi dapat ganito. Or hindi ka naman sinasabing lahat kasalanan ng rider. There's also the other motorists din.
Yeah, oo.
Sabi ko nga, we should give consideration to parang kumbaga yun, we should give consideration to our small brothers. Di ba? Pag si Bunso, medyo alaga ng konti. So same thing also. Kung medyo malaking sasakyan mo and everything, please give way.
Why not gumilid ka ng konti, di ba?
Yes,
Magbigay ng...
Actually, bigayan lang lahat.
Yeah, safety is a shared responsibility.
Correct. That's very true. That's
Hindi
very
pwedeng tayong nagmumotor lang.
Hindi.
Pwedeng sa mga sasakyan lang.
Hindi,
So
hindi.
it's everyone else.
It's everyone.
Kasama mga pedestrian.
Yes. Yes na yes.
Yes, lahat ng gumagamit.
Mahirap yung nagtsatsacha ka sa gitna ng kasada, hindi natin lang kung maglilat ka o right, di ba?
Yung mga nagte-teleport sa gitna ng daan, bigla na naman ito.
At saka also with the technology, yun ang masama. I've seen a lot of people, especially the young ones na tumatawid sa pedestrian. Okay, tumatawid ka sa pedestrian, but you're using your your cell phone.
Nakatungo,
It's like parang, what are you doing?
You have to be aware, di ba? Parang,
Exactly.
Well, ikaw may anak ako, may anak din ako eh. Palagi ko yung mga anak mo may ganyan din ugali.
Well, sa akin naman, at least I'm thankful sa Panginoon na they're not doing those things.
Yeah, and they're being safe.
Nare-remind naman sila, and then also sila naman, they listen. And that's one thing I enjoy, being with them. Kaya kasama ko sila sa mga gimmick ko and everything. Especially ito, di ba? I'm so blessed na nakakita na I'm working in a company. And thank you so much also for Bristol. I'm working for the company, di ba? As a father. But the only thing is they considered my son, and then actually got him. Hindi ko sinasabing it's because my influence, but I never influenced him. He passed actually yung mga qualifications, and he was gotten actually for what he was qualified for.
As a father, what I can say is your presence with your kids is more than enough reminder for them to follow your good example.
I hope I'm a good example. I pray I would be a good example.
Sir Noy, yan, speaking of anak, dahil malamang nagte-text na yung mga anak ko.
Thank you
Sir,
so much
salamat,
for your time.
salamat.
Pasensya na sa abala.
No.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time and enjoy your day with yourself.
Thank you so much.
Sir.
You're right.
Bye-bye.
You're right,
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.